In this In the Loop, it's all about gearing up for end of financial year. Of course, 30 June, it's the end of the tax year. So it's time to be thinking about your FY24 tax planning strategies. As Kerry Packer always said, there's nothing wrong with tax minimization. So start to think about what your tax liabilities are looking like and whether there's anything you can do about it. Key to tax time is thinking about payments that need to be made before 30 June. Have you got any super contributions that you want to make? Do you need to contribute some money back into your company to reduce your Division 7A shareholder loan repayments? Of course, you need to think about trust distribution minutes, all those types of things, and you might even be able to vary some of those PAYG installments when you go to do your June BAS. Of course, speaking of tax, 31 March has just passed, and that's the end of the tax year for fringe benefits tax returns. Maybe your logbook needs to be updated, remembering that they get out of date every 5 years. Of course, we've got new tax rates kicking in from 1 July 2024. You'll see that some rates are going up, some rates are going down, some thresholds are going down, some thresholds have gone up. But keep an eye out for any other changes in tax rates that may be announced within the federal budget on the 14th of May. We're not expecting any fundamental or philosophical changes in tax strategy, but you never know, there might be something exciting coming out of that. One thing I am looking for in this budget is more information on the Future Made in Australia strategy or policy that was announced earlier in the year. So keep an eye out for our top takeaways from the federal budget. That'll be out early morning on the 15th of May. Speaking of budgets, end of financial year around the corner, time to think about your own budgets as well. What's your strategy for next year look like? What's your financial budget look like? And a key thing we're talking to a lot of people about is their pricing strategy. Start thinking about pricing strategy now. Maybe you'll implement it from 1 July. With inflation still pretty high, especially within the services sector, don't let pricing strategies or price increases get away from you, and make sure you're ready to go from 1 July. As with any budget, it's the steps that matter in the budget to achieve your strategy that are the most important thing. So with end of financial year around the corner, hope that's helped gear you up and keep you in the loop. As we approach the end of financial year, keep an eye out for the Top Tax Tactics ebook, which is available via the website at businessdepot.com.au. You can also subscribe to stay in the loop with these updates via the website. And of course, you'll also see on there our top takeaways from Federal Budget 2024.